Problem is, like, it's going to get a lot hotter down here if you're concentrating all the way down here. You always want to run what's called an interpass. The interpass is going to be one bead from one side of the plate to the other, or in pipe, it'll be one complete bead all the way around that pipe. So you want to get in that habit. I staggered a couple beads. I apologize. I must have miscommunicated there. I was just kind of staggering those beads just so you kind of got the layout. But yeah, we always want to run an interpass. That way it moves that heat from one point of the plate to the other. Otherwise, we get everything jammed up down here. You can get warpage and get that thing to start moving on you. Eventually, you're going to start knocking stuff out of square if you kind of concentrate all your heat in one area. Okay?